Oh, Jack, what you doing, buddy? Jack, say hi to the camera. Are you Fluffy? Are you a fluffy kitty or a plushy kitty? Fluffy or plushy? Fluffy or plushy? Are you a fluffy kitty or a plushy kitty? Take your pick. Fluffy? Okay. So you're a fluffy kitty then. That's cute, right? Blink, blink, turn. Perk up the ears. Turn, look at the camera. Turn again, look at the... Yeah. Look somewhere else. He's lifting that tail of his slowly. Slowly, slowly. Scratching himself. Walking around somewhere else so the camera can't see ya. All I can see is your bottom. And now you're turning to the other side. Scratching himself again. And guys, just to let you know, this is my first time making a cat video of my cat. So yeah, he's a little bit fluffy and plushy, so yeah. And I'm trying to get a good grip on this thing, but Mom says the tripod is like 10 bucks or something, which I don't think I believe her on that. So I'm just gonna go with this. And he's just looking somewhere else, which is, I think, somewhere in the kitchen. And he's looking at the camera again, perking up his ears and all that stuff. So Jack will come back to you later, buddy, okay? I'll do more videos of you, promise. I so promise on that.